I was not going to do this video, but I mean, let's talk about it. I funded my account, and this is how I flipped it up a little bit before making withdrawal. Guess what? It was my rent. This is the second time I'm funding my Forex account with my rent, and you guys know what happened the first time. I blew it, but this time I took the risk, and I will show you how I analyze the market before taking each and every trade. This is not yet the challenge I said I was going to do. This was just a little practical to see, and you're going to benefit one or two things from this video. Stay tuned. When you've tried to flip $5 account to 100 and then tried 100 to 1k, you see the difference. But this time around, I know it's a risky thing. I'm not encouraging you out there to go fund your account with your rent, but this is something I had to do to confirm something, because I've not actually traded with a huge amount, like $100, since I mastered this particular strategy. So I'm going to share the strategy with you guys. I'm going to show you each and every trade, what gave me the confluences, and you see the benefit of risk to reward, because risk to reward ratio is very important. I mean, if I applied it more on this journey, this trade I just took with this account, I would have made more money. These things I learned on the process, so I'm going to share them with you guys. So as you can see there, this was the first trade I took on GBP USD. Let's go to a lower time frame. Market was entirely on an uptrend, so immediately the market broke this zone. I entered. You see that small retest there with some candlestick confirmation. Then when it pulled back, I opened more position here, and it pulled all the way back to my entry, then hit take profit. That was the first trade I took, and this right here is the second trade I took. Aside from the fact that USD CHF was like it's on a downtrend, that's my confluence. So the downtrend broke this zone, retested it, was definitely going to touch this zone. So when I said my first trade was the GBP, is because that was my only trade for that day. My first entry was sell. If you can see below the buy entry there, I thought the market was going to retrace. Then the momentum, it broke up, then I just waited for confirmation, then buy. Yeah, but with discipline, that was my only trade that day. And the next day, the USD CHF was my second trade, and that was how I took the two trades. So comment below if you want to see what happened next on the account. As you can see, I withdraw first, because if I become president, what I go do? I go chop first.